In this video, we are going to unbox this $5 heat dissipation case. The case houses 4 heat dissipation layers, and graphene is one of them. They say that graphene with tell-ion clothing, thermal conductive glue, and hollow vents in the case can enable heat dissipation. The outward case material is rubber and plastic. Rubber covers every side, and the back is plastic. When you hold it, it feels mushy to the touch, which is considerable given its price. The case is well designed, simple, and elegant. The inside of the case has a microfiber lining and has colored borders depending on the color you've chosen. You can have this case in the colors pink, black, dark green, blue, red, and white. At the back of the case, you can see a grid of holes. I do think that this portion of the case enables ventilation. And beneath the holes, you can see a yellow layer, which is the tell-ion clothing that is part of the ventilation of the case. When it comes to protection, the case has good overlapping edges in the front and with the back camera, not too much or too little. This enables low probability screen cracks both in the front and back, but there is no extra thickness on every corner, which can enable better shock resistance. The accessibility of the case is great. The buttons are covered and easy to click. The charging port cutout is large enough to plug in chunky lightning port handles. The case has both even cutouts on the speaker grills and the microphone grills. Overall, the case is an okay buy. You can't expect more for a $5 case, but still, you have heat ventilation. That's probably it. I hope this helps you. This has been Techno Voyager. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.